Such a big upgrade. I love it. Welcome back, JDM fam. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit that like button if you guys haven't already. Now, in today's video, we're actually installing some Auxito LEDs in the 2IS, the Lexus IS250. This is the 2011 Lexus IS. This thing hasn't been on the channel for a little while, so I thought I would make a video, and also I did need to install some LEDs, and these are a huge upgrade in this car, in the interior, guys. So we're going to be installing those. As you can see, the Lexus is looking great. We did replace the splitter like 3 times, and the last splitter tore off as well. This thing is slammed. Now, like I said, I do have some LEDs. Now, these are from Auxito. Definitely check them out, guys. High quality, good looking LEDs that really will last. And all of the Auxito's LEDs I've ever replaced in my Type R or CR-V have lasted a long time, as well as the ES1 Civic, 7th Gen Civic. I've never seen LEDs like this. Check it out. It's like springs. But these will look really good. I know for a fact because they are from Auxito, and they definitely have some really good quality LEDs and products, period. So what we need, I believe all we're going to need is a flathead screwdriver, and that's usually all you need when you're installing some LEDs in the interior. So let's jump in the Lexus and start installing these. Okay, so we're going to be installing these huge LEDs into the dome back here. Now, these dome lights at the front are all LED, as well as these back here. These are LED as well, so they do look pretty good. They kind of have a blue hue to them in person, but also on the camera. But these right here are actually incandescent. They don't look good at all. They're super yellow. Basically, there's a little slit right back here in the back, right there. Now what we're going to do is pop the flathead screwdriver in there and basically just turn it. Okay, I don't know how well you guys can see this, but I'm going to try to do this on camera. All you got to do is push it into the prongs up here. All right, so that's what it looks like. Now we're gonna test it and see how bright it is compared to that incandescent. All right, now obviously this is during the day, but you're going to get a pretty good feel on how much of a difference it is. Let's hit the button. That's a huge difference. Wow, look at the left is so yellow, and then the right is just straight white and so bright. Like, you could see so much more light coming from this one. That one is just straight yellow. I mean, you could see it, but the right one just overpowers it so much. These are also yellow incandescents right here. Now, to take these out, all I did was take the flathead, and you get in between this button right here and the plastic right here. Now, it looks like it's going to break it, but it's not. But you just pop it through the crack right there and just pull while flexing the screwdriver kind of upward. Pop it right out. Now, it feels like you're going to break it, but you're not. Thank you to Auxito, because these are a huge upgrade and they really do look good. All right, so we got the cover on the back. That's what it looks like. It looks great. It actually kind of dims and brightens as you turn it on and off, which is really cool. These are in as well. These were really hard, guys. You literally have to get 2 fingers on them. I used 2 hands and 2 index fingers and just wedge it as hard as you can down. That's the only way to take these out, but they're in now. They look really good. We actually can't even look at them with just our eyes because they're that bright. So also, this one wasn't working, guys, so you have to watch out with polarity. Test them first. If it doesn't turn on, flip it around. It will fix it. So that's what it looks like. And we're going to put the covers on, and I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. This is my son, Dom, the owner of the IS. What do you think? Big upgrade?
I think it's a great upgrade. Definitely a lot brighter than the stocks. I like the white light too versus they were yellow before.
Yep.
A lot brighter.
Big upgrade.
Those. They're so bright now.
They're a lot brighter and they look way better too. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna put the covers on this, do the hatch or the trunk really quick, and then we'll be done with the video.
The way they do that.
Yeah, it's crazy how they kind of fade.
Yeah,
they
last
fade on and off.
Smoother.
Oh, really?
Smoother,
it's the LED, and they're probably, I don't know if these are made for fading like that, because they do look a little wonky when they're turning off and on and fading. But once they're on, they look so good. These are definitely, I bet you probably couldn't even see with these the old ones, huh?
Yeah, not very well at all.
And these the little ones on the sides are nice, but I doubt these are that bright at night. No, these are probably for when you're driving, and these are probably when you're parked and you want to eat or something.
Yeah, these are kind of for like angled lights if you just want to see something in front of you right here.
Yeah.
They angled down right here in front of you.
Yeah, so I like them. Definitely a big upgrade, guys. Auxito, way to go. Check out their website, guys. They have great products and high quality products. In the trunk, my son didn't even know he had a light back here. We're over here looking all over. Type R's was over here on the side. This one's right here. It was never switched on, so he never actually had a light back here, and he never knew to turn it on. So we're going to be using this from now on, and it's going to help for sure. So to get this one out, all you have to do is get the screwdriver on the side right here, pry it out, and then the whole housing comes out. Okay, so I popped the back off right here. Really easy to do, but just to show you guys, I don't think this light bulb's going to work because it's considerably larger, and this light bulb actually turns on and off by swapping. It like pivots the whole light, and that light barely even fits in here. So I don't think this one's going to work in the trunk, but I will probably upgrade this one later. I might show you guys how I did it. It's obviously super simple, and if you have a style light like this that's that size, it's going to work great. This thing is just so big compared, so that's not going to work. Even though it did look really good when we popped it in there, it just doesn't stay. So we're gonna put this back in, and we'll end the video. All right, guys, so that's the end of this video. Big upgrade, but a super cheap, budget-friendly mod for the 2011 Lexus IS250. The 2IS is looking great. Lots of little things add up to the big picture and make the car great all the way around, whether it's looks or mods on the interior. It's all really fun to do, and it's really not that expensive to do the interior mod. So that's definitely a great mod that you can do to your Lexus IS. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and I will see you guys on the next video. Such a big upgrade. I love it.